Many want to know about a full hands-on Haylou X1 Pro review because these are the new wireless earbuds with impressive features. These gaming earbuds have the latest Bluetooth 5.2 40-hour battery life and 3 microphones hybrid ANC. So, these premium specs and the budget-friendly price, like all other Haylou earbuds, appear interesting. These latest wireless earbuds also offer multiple noise cancellation modes, including transparency. Plus, the flagship acoustic system with expert and finely tuned 16-bit and 48 kHz high-resolution sampling frequency produces immersive sounds. Let's troll all the features in detail and find out the pros and cons. These latest Haylou earbuds offer premium features like a 40-hour battery life, a CHD codec, high decoding rate, wireless charging, and more. Therefore, a Haylou X1 Pro can help reveal all the powerful features that you get with this package. Also, budget-friendly pricing is the key benefit. So, people can afford features like 3 microphones, smart noise cancellation, -35 decibel noise reduction, and low latency for gaming earbuds. Each earbud has a 45 mAh battery capacity with a 400 mAh charging case. These Haylou earbuds have a unique ergonomicrophones design with in-ear silicone ear tips. So, you can wear these with comfort for many hours and feel no fatigue. Also, the Haylou X1 Pro shows that these two wireless earbuds are lightweight and will not fall out. There are also 3 silicone ear tip sizes with the package to fit all ear shapes. The charging case of these new best wireless earbuds opens like a Batmobile. Thus, you can view the earbuds entirely when opening the lid. The magnetic hold is strong. The USB Type-C charging port and a reset button are provided on the charging case. Plus, the portable size helps carry the case inside the pockets or purse. Most of the attributes of these latest Bluetooth 5.2 wireless earphones are exciting. The 40-hour battery life, a C codec support, high decoding, high sampling, and 35 decibel hybrid 3 microphones ANC impresses. Also, we find that there are 3 modes: standard, transparent, and noise cancellation. A 3 microphones noise reduction system eliminates almost all background noise. Also, there is low latency to use as gaming earbuds because of the Bluetooth 5.2 technology. It also means that these best wireless earbuds consume less battery. Unlike other TWS wireless earbuds, these new Haylou earbuds come with a quick reset button on the charging case. There are smart touch controls for various functions and switching between the modes. The Haylou X1 Pro shows that these wireless earphones provide up to 22 hours with the charging case and ANC turned on. You can use these for up to 40 hours with the charging case and ANC turned off. It takes up to 2 hours to fully charge the gaming earbuds and about 3 hours to charge the case. There's both Android and iOS compatibility. The Haylou X1 Pro for the latest best wireless earbuds from Haylou reveals the premium functions. These are the 35 decibel 3 microphones hybrid ANC, expertly tuned speakers, a CHD codec, Bluetooth 5.2, and up to 40 hours battery life. Surely the budget-friendly price surprises for the features these wireless earphones offer. The ergonomicrophones design and smart touch controls also impress. However, the complete opening lid of the charging case can be unmanageable for some users. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Subscribe to my channel and leave a short comment. Have a good day and see you soon.